Hey YouTubers, welcome to my series, Building a Home in the Philippines. So I got more information on the house, I got more photos. This is part 3 of the series. If you're just tuning in now, go back to part 1 where we clear the land. Unfortunately, we can't be in the Philippines because of the stupid COVID restrictions or whatever is happening with this control. And I am building a home away from home in case it really starts to get tyrannical. And that's just what it is. It's a semi-off grid. It is connected to the power. So here it is, guys. Welcome to part 3. It is connected to the power. It does have power going. We already have the power connections going to it. We already have the some electrical going through it already, and every room has a drain. It is. Somebody asked me if it is. It is poured concrete slab here with rebarb. And it is about 8 inches in the ground. We go instead of the standard 6, we went 8 inches down, and put crush, and then put the rebarb, and then so we're building it on a very strong foundation. So there's the house so far. I got more images here to share with you guys. So there's a little pillar thing on the outside. So they're gonna build like a canopy here for us to sit out here. That's a little section out there if it's raining, but you still want to be outside. And they're putting up the subframe for the roof, so they could start actually bringing in the rebarb and all the other stuff in the heavy duty stuff. So there it is right there. This is all concrete. None of this is wood. And these beams that are coming out, again, they're for extensions. They're going to extend on. And these are the bricks that they make. The bricks are handmade. So if I was there, I would be actually going to the beach and carrying up the sand. The beach is, I found out the coordinates. It's about a 10-minute walk to the ocean, to the beach. Beautiful white sand, beautiful as far as the eye could see. Coconut trees, and it's just like empty. Okay, and then it's about a 45-minute walk to the city on that island. So it's a 45. So you're away from the little city on the island, but you're 45-minute walk away. So we will pick up a scooter just to put us around up and down. Maybe be fun with the kids. You know what I'm saying? But look, there it is, right there. So we're looking at purchasing a piece of land behind, and the piece of land, we do have a lot of land going that way up until there, and we do have a lot of land coming this way. But I want to buy more land so we can plant some more fruit trees, three of each trees. I want to plant avocados, and I do want to plant some tobacco trees too. Okay, so there is the inside, the one part of the inside there. They're completing here. And again, these are like canopy sections, and this is the canopy section here for us to sit outside, and there's going to be windows here. It depends how we want to do it. And there is the structure, right? Most of it is concrete. There is this that's actually being put in for electrical to make sure there's lights and power going into every room. So there it is. There's the sub frame that they put up before they get the heavy duty. Look at that metal coming out, right? Okay, and then there's another room there. So it's got 3 bedrooms. So it's got 3 bedrooms, 1 big living room, and 1 major bathroom. And it's, again, the sewerage is connected to the, and there it is out there. And last but not least, right there. So there's the workers area there, the tarp, and where they cut stuff so they're not directly in the sun. And it's coming together, guys. It's gonna come together really nicely. I wish I was there to do updated videos for you guys, but this is all I got. We're trying to budget it under 6,000 US, which we're within budget, way within budget. We're going to get the roof done in a few days. There's somebody coming from the city to come in and actually bring in the hardware and a lot of the tools to come and do the job. And then we're going to window it out, and I don't mind not being there to do the windows and stuff. I don't, but nice thick walls. Look at that. You got your wall, and then you got your poured concrete support. Really well built. I think this is a very well built home. There's my dog Lucky. Oh, I'll show you guys the dogs. And there's Florida. If you guys remember my channel for a long time, that's Florida, and then that's Lucky. My dad's dog. May he rest in peace. And my dog. So there it is, there, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I did call. Okay, so I did make some calls. So I kind of got a little bit nosy making a few calls. And I did ask around, like, okay, guys, feasibility, building a house in Canada, poured concrete, rebarb, cinder block, like a really good like basically a home you could power wash if you want. You could power wash the house, right? Every room has a drain in it. So if you want to like wash the floors, every room has a drain that goes to the sewer. Now the question is, I called a few places about 4 weeks ago. I made a few calls. I said, "Hey guys, I want to build a house, and then this and that, and I'm looking at what am I looking at for price with this kind of material?" "Oh, in Canada, we don't build like that, and if we did, it'd be just too expensive. We usually do 2x4s and plywood and particle board, and we don't build homes like this, like that actually last." I go, "Well, how much would it cost for a 3-bedroom home?" "Oh man, I don't even know how to calculate." The guy couldn't calculate it for me. He had no idea what it would cost to build a house like this in Canada, where again it's poured concrete and rebarb and an 8-inch deep foundation. So there's the shop right there. Okay, guys. So I wanted to show this. Now I wanted to show this part to you guys. What was it? So the outside. People were mentioning that the outside looks like crap. Well, here's the deal. This doesn't stay exposed, right? There's a sealant that goes on top, and then an epoxy, and then you go ahead and pick your outside spackle that you want, right? So I've been looking at different colors. I'm not too much of a fan of the mustards. I don't mind the light yellows like that. I don't mind. So you got to tint the spackle. So there's different ones like that. I'm gonna go. This is a typical Philippines home here. So I wouldn't mind something like this, and then the roof's gonna look like that. So I don't mind like something like this, something simple, I guess, I don't know. I'm just kind of throwing that out there. So the exposure will not remain like you guys see here. It won't be like that. And once we get this done, we're going to clean this up, this patio. We're going to clean it all up, put everything and organize it and have it all organized, right? So again, it's about a 10-minute walk to the beach, and it's about a 35 to 45-minute walk to the little city in town. So that's it right there, off-grid living. And then we could solar panel the crap out of the roof if we decide to. That is something I'm definitely, if we do go for longer than a few months out of the year, I think we're going to, so as I get older, I think I'm going to solar panel the crap out of that roof. And even maybe something to catch the wind. And just something, because it's always breezy there on the island. So it's going to be something we can look forward to taking care of. And then I'm very excited about this, and I'm very excited it's coming together, and it's going to make it's going to change. Things are changing, and I think coming to a Western country right now, I think people are leaving to go to countries like this, so they don't have to worry about just a basic life. You know what I'm saying? It's all it is, a basic lifestyle. Nice weather, on an island, fishing, snorkeling, scuba diving, all kinds of stuff. I'll even buy scuba tanks. I'll make videos right through till the day I die for you guys, and we could follow this adventure. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We'll talk later. Thanks for watching.